Okay, what I'm going to do is just quickly show you how to add a product to your store, and I've created a dummy test product, which is we're going to use that as our master for all your products. I'm just going to have a quick edit on here, only because I wanted to just change something. We've got an image in there, but that doesn't really matter what it is. I just wanted to come in and change the text color on that to a dark blue. You'll see why later, but I'm just going to update that. I'll show you the various features of this, and then you can understand where we're coming from. Got an image. I'll just edit, look at the image details. In the alternative text, I've put a little short description. It doesn't always show, but sometimes it will, and we can discuss that later. It's aligned left, it's the medium size, and it links to the media file. That's what we're always going to do when we put a new image in. So if you wanted to make a note, left, medium, and media file basically is the thing, and then you'd update it. This always stays so that we keep it in the same position. So I'll run through setting up a new one. This is, I'm just going to remove it for now so that you can see. So product image, set the featured image. You go to exactly the same image that you're going to place in the main area, and you set it as featured image. That just creates a thumbnail for the product page. All it does, but that's what it does. I've not set any categories for the moment, nor tags, because this is a dummy that's going to be duplicated to allow us to create lots of products with the same, what they call variations. So we've got your canvas print 50 by 30 inches at 150 quid, canvas print 25 by 6 at 80. Now once we duplicate these, obviously they're set in stone. Currently, I don't think there's a quick way of changing the price globally, but I think I mentioned to you on the phone that there may well be at a later date. Nothing else needs to be set, and you would always update the button, but that's neither here nor there for the dummy, but I'm just updating it because I made some changes. So what we would come and have a look at our products again, and that's the featured image that I mentioned. So that's the, sorry it's all bunched up, but it's to keep it in a decent screen width. So that would create your little thumbnail, which goes everywhere. No tags, whatever. Where you want to come down to is clone. So you're going to clone this item, and it's going to create a new one here, which is called, it's draft, because that's already been done. So we'd come in here and we'd edit it. We'd delete that image. We'd go to add media, and we'd choose another file. Yeah. We can insert it into post. It should actually remember the settings: left, medium, and media. So because that's always the last thing, but when you come to do it first time, it may not be there. It would be worth putting your alternative text for this image in there, and then update. Then, as you know, no need to worry about that for the minute. That will sort itself out. And we need to remove the featured image, set featured image, and choose that one and set it. Yeah. Now this is where you do need to set your categories. If it's not Edinburgh, then you can set a new category. And tags for this one might be evening, water, still, boat, any other tags that you may think of. What the tags will do when we come to the product page, and obviously these are already set, so you don't have to do them, and then you'd come and you'd publish this. But what the tags will do is in your shop, it will list products. So if somebody's looking at this image, oh, we should have given it a title, by the way, sorry. That would help, wouldn't it? I don't know what the title of this would be, so night boat, you can call it whatever you want, as you would, and update, and I'll come and show you what I mean, and then we'll keep it as tight as possible. Okay, so we can come back to our products, and we should see now two, night boat and your dummy. So your dummy is always going to be there. This one's going to have a category, it's going to have tags. That one will be uncategorized and no tags. Yeah. So when we come and view, so the best way I suppose is come up pages, all pages. Come up and it's published, but it's not out there yet. So just come in and look at your store. And basically, you don't need to edit this unless we need to change wording or something at a later date, but currently just probably leave it alone. But you want to come and look at view page here. You can only see it because you're logged in, so and we can tweak look and feel at a later date. There's categories. As we add categories, in other words, as we add a couple of images for Edinburgh, a couple of images for West Kilbride or East Kilbride or East Scotland, West Scotland, they will come down here. So you can. That's another way of navigating. Obviously, we'll have store up here and what have you. So currently, have a look at your products. Now, they are bunched together, so I will have to sort that out. But anyway, they're bunched together currently. So again, we should be able to, once we've got categories, we can show them by category. We can order by release date, name, price probably won't matter because this price from is always the lowest price. I'm going to come in here, night boat, and choose the option just to show you the actual product page. So this is where you get your all prices include delivery, and I thought it would be worth putting that in a, well, we can change it to a lighter blue or whatever. And then you've got your various sizes, and you can add 1, 2, 3, and you can add it to your cart. Currently it is uncategorized, as we know, because we haven't given it a category, and this is the larger image, and this will expand depending on your screen size. So I'm going to go up to a very big screen size, and you'll see it's expanded, so it's responsive. So that's the main thing. It's as big as it can be on the screen that you're viewing at. Click anywhere and it disappears. So obviously I need to tidy up the previous page to get it to look less crap, basically. But in the meantime, I think what we need to do is get a few products in there named, perhaps do 10, 20, whatever you want. Then we could perhaps we can change a couple to £1 and just do a dummy order so you can see how the order's done. There's one hell of a lot of settings that we can go through when we come to do it. Come down to store settings, we can do this together or whatever. I've set them up currently. We've got, we can, I've set it to Midlothian and for your area code, order confirmation, Okay, we need, yeah, that's your email, so that's fine. So this is the email text for a new order. Thank you for your order, da da da. We can change all this, but this is standard text. When you ship the order, you can send them an email. Thank you for your email, it's been shipped. You know, anyway, there's an awful lot of settings that we can go to and sort that out. So I'm going to cut it short now so that I don't make this too long. Okay, mate.